Okay, we're going to go through the 10 reps that Antonio did for about a month as his homework, what we call the daily. So this is gift of movement. We're going to show you. He's going to demonstrate. Normally I do, but it's early. Yes. And Antonio's warmed up because he just completed an intense session of HIIT. Okay. So first one was, there's 10 exercises. He was doing 1 minute rounds of each. So one complete set of these would have been a minimum of 10 minutes. And it was up to him whether he wanted to do a second round. The first exercise is the bear plank sit through to the forearm rock, and we're alternating. So we start in bear plank, hips and shoulders, wrists, everything aligned. Knees under hips. So we're gonna sit through to one side, okay? And then he's gonna take that supporting arm, rock down into the forearm, and then rock back up, okay? This is a lot of strength, a lot of core, okay? And you'll worry about speed after you have the strength and the movement. Okay, so remember, we're not doing reps here. We're going for a minute on the timer. But I'm not going to make him go through the whole minute. We're just demonstrating the exercise. All right. Okay, so we don't want to collapse into that shoulder when we drop down to the elbow. I'm using a lot of core, a lot of glute, full body here with the rotation. Okay. Thank you. Number 2 is the 180 squat jumps with the pause. Okay.
So that's...
So with the pause, I want him to pulse down into a deeper squat, okay, before he comes up. Okay, so we want to keep, he's doing the right thing with his gaze coming down at about a 45-degree angle onto the floor, but we also do want to keep that chest up with the butt sinking down. Good. Okay. And we want to land softly. Antonio's very tired and I'm making him do this. Okay. Then number 3 is the one-way dive bombers to bear plank march. 6 marches. So we get into a pike position or a down dog position. We're going to dive our head to the ground and straight through. But we're going to just, at that point, Antonio, so after you dive your head down and forward, you're just gonna pike the hips back up. That's why it's called one way.
But I thought it was going to bear
oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So he does his dive bombers. He gears back into the bear plank.
To here.
There we go. Okay.
And then it's 1, 2, 5, 6. Right?
Yep. So it's more like a bear plank run, not a march. Okay. Okay, good.
Wait, what's it, this?
There we go. That's the march. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So we're alternating the hand and the foot, opposite hand and foot. There we go. 4, 5, 6. All right. Thank you. Number 4. We're going to do the 4 count touch with the high knees. And
with a burpee.
Yeah, so it's a 4 count touch burpee. So we have 2 high knees. Yeah, in our burpees, we do the push-up.
1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. 2 touches to the knee and 2 touches to the inside of the ankle.
1. Burpees.
Okay. So number 5 is our Cossack gliding stomps. Okay, so now we're getting some side to side. All right.
It was like this. No.
Okay, you could have your feet on the floor, so wide squat, yeah. Then we're gonna glide over into that side lunge and then stomp that bent foot, bent knee, legs, foot. There you go. So the challenge with this is to stay low, because we go into that glide and we don't necessarily come back up, but of course you can come back up to reset. Okay, all right. That was the Cossack gliding stomps. Then number 6, we have the side plank walks. Forward, forward, back, back. And we're doing one side at a time. So, nice side plank. We're stacking the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. There you go. Take a look at his feet. And then back, back. Forward, forward, back, back.
And to the other side.
So it goes, yeah, try the other side. So it's just 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. Okay, so 1, 2, and then go back. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. So we just keep it flowing, keep it moving. Okay. Okay. So you want to compress your abs on this, drive your rib cage down. Okay. You want to get your abs as flat as possible, then drive the rib cage down. Okay, make sure your shoulders are nicely stacked with your spine. Okay, so at the same time you have a nice position for that long hold of the arms. Number 8, so that was 6 and 7. Number 8 is the lizard push-up plus the leg swing.
So that was.
There we go. Okay, so to make it harder, you would keep that foot elevated as you come down into a push-up.
Elevated.
Uh-huh. Don't let it touch the ground. Just drive your knee to the elbow. There. That's super hard, I know. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. So you see he's got that leg swing. Yeah. Here's the list that again he has it. This means that it was well used. He gave me back the list that I gave him. It's all wrinkled. I can't remember what I gave him, so I made him bring it back. All right, number 9. Almost done here. We got 2 more. So number 9 is mountain runner 8 times to the one leg pop up, and we're gonna alternate. So
that's.
So it's more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, there we go. And we're gonna alternate.
1, 2, 3, 6.
So obviously we want a little control when we have that leg up in the air. Okay? And always whenever we have the legs come up and come down, we're trying to land softly. Okay. Okay, so let's actually kick it up into a full, where you are lifting both limbs in the air for a pause. You see? Almost done. Almost done.
Right.
So show me one more time on that.
1,
So
2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
No, both legs come up. Both legs come up. Lift off the ground. There you go. Yeah. Okay? Now, if you want to leave one leg on the ground and just do a leg extension, that would be your modification as needed. Okay, last one. It says wall kick rainbows.
Oh,
What
yeah.
the heck is that? What did I make you do?
Oh, that's a fun one. And without a wall, use a chair.
Right.
But it was.
Oh, that's right. Okay. All right. So, yeah, you're going to also land your feet softly into that wall and then come down on each side alternately. Okay, so there's a lot going on here because he needs to have some strength to push off, and then he has to use his core, his shoulders to stay up on the wall for a pause. That's it, Antonio. Okay, sorry to make you go through this torture. Listen to him breathing. Okay, and then one thing about the breathing, so especially because Antonio's been with his prior hit, he's gone over his 20-minute mark for his level 3 threshold. So now he's actually using his fat stores, okay, yeah, to burn. And when you're burning fat for fuel, most of that is being released from your body through your breath, okay? So it's important to have a nice long exhale when your heart rate gets elevated at this point. Okay,